What's happening, good people and mediocre people of YouTube? So here we go, boating tip of the week. How the heck do you keep that carpet clean, Wrecker? How do you get all that little bits and pieces and whatnot? Well, I'm going to show you a trick that somebody showed me, and it helps out tremendously. Now, usually, you guys with the newer boats, you guys got snap-on carpet, so I'm sure it's a little bit easier for you. In this boat, this was, again, this boat's 30 years old, so there ain't no snap-on carpet. Although, Four Winds, what they did, and one of the reasons this boat was purchased, because they were the first company to put down, not just plywood. Before they put the plywood down, they encased it in fiberglass, and then they put it down in the carpet. So that was Four Winds always kind of leads the way on a lot of that kind of stuff. Anyway, so how do you get this stuff up, right? So you're gonna vacuum it. Alright, now you still got all that little bits and pieces. Here's what you do. Get yourself a scrub brush, and this is what you do. Just sweep it. And what you can do is kind of sweep it towards you, and you get all those little pieces of sand and whatnot out of there. And then you can vacuum it and then pick up all the little pieces you brought to you. So there you go. There's your boating tip, guys. Hope everybody's enjoying their summer. I'm kind of stuck up here, not feeling bad about it, but I'm kind of stuck up here right now. It rained last night. Got to dry this thing out and get the mooring cover on and all that kind of stuff before I take off, but hopefully I'll be back soon. All right, everybody, take it easy.